Hello, so today I'm going to give you a bit of an introduction into what triggers the neuronal death associated with Alzheimer's disease. So, the human brain is made up of around 86 billion cells called neurons, which are connected via synapses. There are around 100 trillion synapses in the human brain, and their job is to carry signals to allow various functions such as memory formation. Now, to allow these synapses to function optimally, the brain needs nutrients or neurotrophic factors, which include vitamin D, Nectin-1, and SIRT1. There are many more, but these are just a few examples, and they will become more important in a sec. Now, neurons in the brain produce a molecule or a protein called APP, or amyloid precursor protein, and this protrudes through the neuronal membrane, as you can see by the diagram. Now, APP is what we call in science a dependence receptor, which means that it's dependent on these neurotrophic factors to produce signals that promote healthy synapse growth. Now, if the neurotrophic factor isn't present, then instead of the signals producing growth and maintenance factors, then the signals trigger neuron death through the process of apoptosis. This apoptosis of neurons leads to the symptoms that we associate with Alzheimer's disease, for example, memory loss and confusion. Now, on a more molecular level, APP can be cut by molecular scissors called proteases. And the interesting thing about APP is that it can be cut at either just one site or 3 sites. Now, this is where the importance of the neurotrophic factors comes in. If we cut the APP at one site, 2 peptides are produced. Peptides are chains of amino acids which are the building blocks of proteins. These peptides are called SAPP alpha and alpha CTF. If the APP is cut at 3 sites, then 4 peptides are produced. These are called amyloid beta, C31, JCASP, and SAPP beta. Now, the APP can only be cut at one site in the presence of the neurotrophic factor, which leads us to the conclusion that it is the SAPP alpha and alpha CTF that cause the growth and maintenance signaling, and the 4 peptides, amyloid beta, C31, JCASP, and SAPP beta, that trigger neuron apoptosis. Next, we're going to focus on one of these 4 peptides, amyloid beta. The interesting thing about amyloid beta is that when it's produced by the cutting at 3 sites, it can then bind to APP again to produce even more amyloid beta. So it's kind of like a vicious circle, if you like, or more scientifically, a prionic loop. This is why we often associate Alzheimer's disease with the build-up of amyloid beta in the brain, as you can see by the bottom brain scan. Right, I think that's all that I would like to say. Thanks for watching.